Hi everyone, I just wanted to welcome you to week 4 of this semester. It's going by really quickly for me. I don't know what it's like for you. Um, I know that the past week was really strange with that one day that the sun didn't come out and then all the smoke, and that's on top of the pandemic. So I know things are strange and I appreciate that you're hanging in there. I just wanted to review some of the due dates that we've had that are upcoming for today, and then also look ahead to this week's module, which I'm really excited about because it's also about writing, which of course is my favorite thing. So this week, or last week, I should say, you turned in your academic introduction, and then you also went on to do a complete seed harvest, and I really loved what I saw there. Everybody, for the most part, did a perfect academic intro, and you had some really amazing seed harvests with really robust analysis and really great academic language, and you followed all the steps, and I was really pleased to see that. I hope you're pleased with yourself too. Today there are 2 things due. Today's Sunday, September 13th. Putting it all together, that's a paragraph assignment. When you do that, you want to keep that paragraph somewhere because you're going to use it again and add to it this coming week. And then check-in number 3 is also due today. Please do the check-ins in Canvas in the assignment. I just can't field all the check-ins from all over. So thank you. This week, looking ahead, we have paragraph structure. Then we have the prompt for essay 1. Read the prompt, see what questions you have about it, see what makes sense from it, but don't jump ahead and do the whole essay. You won't, that won't help you to do that. It'll be stressful without being helpful. We're going to be building this essay piece by piece, and I encourage you to just really go along with the process. I think you'll be, I think your essay will be stronger and you'll feel more confident if you do it that way. Then there's another paragraph assignment building on the paragraph assignment that's due tonight. Then there's a big one, essay structure and thesis statements. There's a little video about thesis statements that work and don't work, so you can see me review a few thesis statements. Then you're going to be posting your own thesis a week from Monday. And then you'll see there's just a list of essay 1 due dates, which I'm going to include in the next module also. Finally, I hope you got the invitation that I sent for our outdoor classes, which will be not this week, but the week after, on Tuesday from 2 to 4, and then again on Thursday from 12 to 2. And those are optional, outdoor, safe, mask wearing, and I just think it'll be fun to be able to be in person for a little bit. We'll be talking about paragraph structure, and then I'll have a chance to help you with your work on an individual basis. So I think that'll be really fun. Okay, that's it. Have a good week.